sklearn. Cluster. Agglomerative clustering. Description performs hierarchical clustering using a bottom-up approach, merging data points or clusters based on a similarity metric. Inputs. Data matrix. A feature matrix of shape n samples. N features representing the data points to be clustered. Number of clusters. N clusters. The desired number of clusters in the final result optional. If not specified, the number of clusters is determined automatically based on the linkage criterion and distance. Threshold. Affinity. The metric used to compute the distance between data points. Common options include Euclidean, Manhattan, cosine, etc. Linkage. The linkage criterion determining the distance between sets of observations. Common options include WOD, complete, average, single. Outputs. Cluster labels. An array of shape n samples, indicating the cluster label for each data point. Steps. Compute distance matrix. Calculate the pairwise distances between all data points based on pair. Specified affinity. Merge clusters. Iteratively merge the closest clusters based on the linkage criterion until pair. Desired number of clusters is reached or a distance threshold is exceeded. Metrics. Silhouette coefficient measures the quality of clustering by evaluating how similar a data point is to its own cluster compared to other clusters. Kalinske-Haraba's index evaluates the ratio of between clusters dispersion to within cluster dispersion. Visualization plots. Dendrogram visualizes the hierarchical clustering process as a tree-like structure, where the height of the branches represents the distance between merged clusters. Scatter plot with cluster labels visualizes the data points with different colors representing different clusters. Fine-tune parameters. Number of clusters. N clusters. The desired number of clusters in the final result. Affinity. The metric used to compute the distance between data points. Linkage. The linkage criterion determining the distance between sets of observations. Distance threshold. The maximum distance at which clusters are merged optional. Uncertainty methods. Not directly applicable. Agglomerative clustering is a deterministic algorithm and does not provide uncertainty estimates. Challenges and fixes. Computational cost can be expensive for large datasets due to the computation of the distance matrix and the iterative merging process. Efficient distance metrics. Use efficient distance metrics like Euclidean or Manhattan distance. Early stopping. Stop the clustering process before reaching the desired number of clusters if computational resources are limited. Approximate nearest neighbors. Use approximate nearest neighbor search for large datasets. Choice of linkage criterion. The choice of linkage criterion can impact the clustering results. Experiment with different linkage criteria. Try different linkage criteria. WOD, complete, average, single to find the best fit for the data. Consider data distribution. The choice of linkage criterion should be based on the shape and distribution of the data. Determining optimal number of clusters. The optimal number of clusters is often not known beforehand. Silhouette coefficient. Evaluate the quality of clustering using the silhouette coefficient. Elbow method. Plot the sum of squared distances within clusters against the number of clusters to identify the elbow point. Dendrogram. Visualize the hierarchical clustering process using a dendrogram to identify potential cutoff points.